Cool gadgets for kitchen on Amazon. Welcome to the heart of innovation and convenience, the kitchen. Today we're embarking on a culinary adventure like no other as we explore the coolest and most ingenious gadgets that Amazon has to offer. From time-saving tools to clever devices that elevate your cooking game, get ready to witness a treasured trove of kitchen marvels right at your fingertips. So, grab your apron and get ready to spice up your cooking routine with these fantastic kitchen gadgets. Let's dive into the world of innovation and taste the future with cool gadgets for kitchen on Amazon. Simplehuman Liquid Sensor Pump. This Simplehuman liquid sensor pump is an innovative and sleek solution designed to make everyday tasks in the kitchen or bathroom more convenient and hygienic. This automated soap dispenser utilizes cutting-edge sensor technology to dispense liquid soap or hand sanitizer without the need for any physical contact. Gone are the days of pressing down on a pump or pushing a lever. The Simplehuman liquid sensor pump does all the work for you. Simply hold your hand under the sensor, and the pump detects your presence, delivering a precise and consistent amount of soap or sanitizer every time. This not only reduces wastage, but also promotes a germ-free environment by minimizing contact with potentially contaminated surfaces. OXO Good Grips 6 pounds Precision Scale with Timer. Measure baking and cooking ingredients with precision with the OXO Good Grips 6 pounds Precision Scale with Timer. This kitchen accessory provides measurements from 0.5 to 0.1 gram intervals to provide accurate results. Moreover, it offers readings in various units, grams, ounces, and pounds, for plenty of versatility. All the while, the zero function resets the scale to 0 to add more ingredients in an instant. Furthermore, this OXO kitchen scale boasts an easy-to-read digital display with a sleek and compact design that's great for all uses. Above all, the surface is easy to clean, and a non-slip silicone mat protects it from heat damage and scratches. Finally, the built-in timer is perfect for pour-over coffee, and the shut-off feature saves the battery life over time. Vitamix Ascent Series Blenders. Combining power with sleek performance, the Vitamix Ascent Series Blenders will become your new favorite kitchen gadget. Available in 4 models, a 2300, a 2500, a 3300, and a 3500. These blenders include self-DTC technology to automatically recognize an attachment or container. Using wireless connectivity, the motor base automatically adjusts the maximum blending times to accommodate the container size you've chosen. Moreover, the Vitamix Ascent Series blenders boast up to 10 speeds, providing you with all the control and power you need. And the digital timer removes the guesswork from your recipes to help you achieve the perfect texture. Chef Garlic Slicer. Impress your guests with perfectly sliced garlic in your favorite dishes. The Garlic Slice thinly slices garlic. No knife or cutting board needed. Simply fill, twist, and slice. Plus, it'll enhance the flavor of your dishes because sliced garlic offers a nuttier, milder flavor. Includes storage cap. The top rack dishwasher to save by Chef'n. Chef'n began 20 years ago based on the principle that kitchen products could be a lot smarter, easier, and more fun. Right from day one, Chef'n found an audience hungry for its brand of tasteful ingenuity. Smeg DCF02 Coffee Machine. The Smeg DCF02 Coffee Machine is a stylish and high-performance appliance designed to brew your favorite coffee with ease and precision. With its iconic retro-inspired design, it brings a touch of vintage charm to any kitchen or coffee station. The Smeg DCF02 Coffee Machine allows you to brew your coffee just the way you like it. Whether you prefer a strong espresso, a smooth cappuccino, or a classic drip coffee, this machine has you covered. This coffee machine is equipped with a powerful 15-bar pressure pump, ensuring a consistent extraction for rich and full-bodied espresso shots with crema. Operating the Smeg DCF02 is a breeze with its user-friendly interface. The control panel features intuitive buttons for selecting the desired coffee type and adjusting the settings. The generous water tank and coffee bean hopper capacities mean fewer refills, allowing you to make multiple cups of coffee before needing to replenish the supplies. The InnoChiller Fast Drink Cooler. Chill your wine, beer, and more in minutes with the InnoChiller Fast Drink Cooler. This wine gadget cools your beverages 5 minutes faster than ice and water. And if you forgot to put beer in the fridge, this gadget can have them cold in just 10 minutes. It also makes iced in just 30 minutes with the included ice tray. In fact, the InnoChiller works using forced convection. It quickens the airflow in your freezer or fridge, minimizing the chilling time. And yes, this beverage chiller fits in your freezer. Best of all, you don't need to add any pre-made ice to use the gadget. Moreover, this kitchen accessory can hold up to 6 cans, 2 wine bottles, or 1 tray of ice. That way, you always have cold beverages for your parties. Robo Twist Electric Jar Opener. The robotics jar opener easily opens even the toughest jar lids. It's as easy as setting it down on the lid, pressing the button, and watching it work. The robot's strong vise of the robot twist locks on tight to the lid of any jar and unscrews it effortlessly. The next time you've got a tough jar to handle, count on a robot twist to give you the muscle you need. Store-bought sauces are great for dinners that require minimal cooking. But the jars can be tough to open for folks with arthritic hands, use of one hand only, or shakiness. Sarah uses a similar model in her kitchen, and online reviewers note that this particular model would be great for the elderly. Air hood. Make traditional kitchen venting history by replacing it with the AirHood wireless portable range hood. In fact, this beautiful range hood reduces cooking odors and oil residue from forming. Most importantly, it does the job of the fancy design you'd actually want to show off. Along with this, you also get the option of purchasing additional accessories. These include 3 options: base boost, spare oil filters, and spare charcoal filters. With dual filter technology, a portable design, quiet operational mode, and 3 speed settings, this kitchen gadget is totally one of a kind. You can also clean the entire range hood easily without much of a hassle. Overall, it is a complete game changer for modern kitchens that also comes with an aesthetic flair. KitchenActive Spiralizer Spiral Slicer. This hand-operated spiral cutter is simple to use and saves valuable time during food preparation. Just insert vegetable and twist. It requires no assembly, batteries, or electricity, and is compact for easy storage and portability. The ideal julienne veggie slicer for cooking quick healthy meals and eating healthy on a budget at home or on the go. Make long ribbons, narrow spiral cuts, spaghetti-like shoestring cuts, and vegetable noodles, like zucchini pasta, or other types of squash spaghetti. Julienne carrots for salads and stir-fries, prep ingredients for casseroles or a favorite vegetarian recipe. Julienne vegetables at 2 thicknesses. Use one end to cut strips 2 mm wide x 3 mm thick, and the other to cut strips 3.5 mm wide x 5 mm thick. OnThird Food Scanners. Tackle the problem of food waste with the OnThird food scanners. The series of products includes the handheld avocado ripeness checker, the ripeness checker supermarket, and the shelf life scanner. Using AI-powered technology, they can help growers, distributors, and grocers alike. That's because it helps them predict shelf lives with reliable data. Each device can help customers purchase the ripest produce, helping everyone in the life cycle of food minimize food waste. The technology predicts the shelf life of tomatoes, strawberries, blueberries, and avocados. In the future, it will support 10 types of produce, including grapes, bananas, mangoes, and raspberries. The ripeness checker will be used by grocery shoppers, giving them accurate information about when they will be able to eat the food. No need to squeeze and damage avocados. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.